Purcal News, October 19, 2022. On September 6, 2020, Purcal was found, so as of September 6, 2022 we are now 2 years old. To celebrate 2 years of our nation, we had a music party in the Discord. Discord link is down below to anyone who wants to join. Also, Purcal is having an election from the 25th to the 30th of October. We recommend making a party before the election starts if you want to run. Check Discord for the party requirements. The PCK and TPF are good examples of what a party should look like. Here are some good examples of campaigns done by the TPF. Lastly, the Purcal's economy will be going through a reset after the election as voted on by our citizens. If you would like to become a citizen of Purcal, join our Discord server for more info. Please subscribe, like and share for more Purcal videos like this. Thank you for watching Purcal News. Take care. Discord is down below.